Good afternoon, viewers. This is Pastor Francis M. Actually, this is my first time recording a video, doing a video, and I hope that you would subscribe to my channel, YouTube channel. It's called Francis M. And basically, this is my first video, and I hope you could subscribe to my channel. And today is April 22, and temperature right now here in Cagayan de Oro City is 33 degrees Celsius, and partly cloudy, pero parang mainit siya talaga. Mainit. You can see the leaves there, or the trees there. The trees there are like becoming brown already. And weather here in Cagayan de Oro City is very sunny talaga, and very mainit. Actually, there was a time na it was like I think it was yesterday. It was drizzling, but parang nawala lang kasi parang dahil sa init talaga ng panahon dito, So with regards to my YouTube channel, Francis M, it's capital F Francis, then one word lang, and capital M. And I just want to give you a daily dose of, actually it's more of inspirational messages, Bible verses, and positive inspiration that could somehow help us in our lives, and more so our spiritual lives. And just want to connect the temperature right now. As you can see, it's very sunny, it's very mainit. And if we connect it in our spiritual lives, it's also like that. Sometimes our lives could experience problems also, So maybe sometimes our lives could experience yung mainit na mga situations. If we look at our lives right now, maybe somehow or sometimes like maka-experience tayo ng mainit na mga sitwasyon. And if you connect it like the weather right now, it's very mainit, But I do believe with warm situations, the problems, the trials, the testings, yung mga problema na-experience natin ngayon, please be reminded that it is part of life. It is part of God's plan for us, Isip na mga tao na nakakakilala sa Diyos, you will really experience problems in life. Actually, there are just two kinds of people who don't have problems in the world. There are just two kinds of people, again, do not have problems in the world. Number one is yung mga patay, yung mga tao na wala ng buhay, yung mga tao na nasa 6 feet below the ground. So this means na wala na silang buhay na experience. Forgive me for the kasi merong ambulance sa likod ko. So parang nasa traffic light kasi ako So merong ambulance. Okay. Okay. Ang ikalawa is yung mga what you call this, mga crazy people. Yung mga wala nang pag-iisip, no? Sila yung ikalawa na kinds of people na walang problema, no? But yeah, if you're not like that right now, if you're not dead or if you're not crazy, I do believe that you will be really experiencing problems in your life. But do not be discouraged, do not be dismayed, or do not be worried. I know it's really normal not to really experience problems, to really experience. Actually, it's always a challenge for us. It's always a challenge for us to really put our hope, put our trust in God, and because we know that with God, the Bible says all things are possible. With God, it says there in Ecclesiastes, sa libro ng Ecclesiastes, sinabi ng ni King Solomon, all things or everything will be beautiful. All things will be beautiful in God's time, no? So we believe na every one of us will have their own shares of problems, but do not be discouraged. Continue trusting God, because we know that everything is under God's control. So, kapatid, brother and sister, just continue with your life. Continue looking or finding God's purpose in your life, because in due time you'll reap a harvest, and you'll have the promotion of God. You'll have the blessings of God if you do not give up. Okay? So if we experience mainit na mga sitwasyon or yung mga problems dadating sa buhay natin, do not be discouraged, but to continue looking up to God and trusting Him, praying to Him, and asking for His guidance, protection, and wisdom, so that you could get through with this life. So once again, this is Pastor Francis, and good afternoon to everyone. God bless you.